This video is about how to create a professional flyer design just like the one you are seeing on the screen right now. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button. Now, this is the color palette we are using: red as the dominant color, green for accent, and black for text. So you can create yours in Pixellab to using the shapes, squares and rectangles just to pick the colors out. Now let's get this off the screen. First of all, choose your background. We are using white as the background. As you can see in the color palette, white is the background. After that, create a line using your shapes. That should be red. Then you copy and create your green. Balance it at the center and push a little bit downward. After this, you can bring in your Labour Party logo. So this is it. Rescale to the size you want. So let's create the border for the next text and other information. Draw this downward a bit. Go to opacity and reduce it to 0. The stroke, let it come on screen. After that, you adjust the middle again and make sure it is balanced. Now bring in this picture. The picture should be in PNG format, no background. Rescale and adjust. Now we are using the V in a stylish way by creating a mark. Adjust and place it on the right spot. Now write the text. That should represent V, so the rest remains OTE. Pick the font. I'm using Montserrat. Then you can now stretch it out by using spacing. Don't forget to give it a color. We are using black for our text. You can pin down all this one to avoid any error. So it remains the name Peter Obi, one after the other. Adjust and give it font. We are still using Montserrat. And this second one, Montserrat black. Now let's stretch it, the spacing. $55. Color should be black for Peter and green for Obi. Black for Peter. So this font, I'll use this font. reduce the size and give it red color. Color red. Now it remains president. I use a Montserrat for that too. Whenever you are choosing your font, make sure you have the authority to use it. Get the license before using them. I think Montserrat black will be okay for this too. Reduce the size. And write the year 2023. Bring it down here. The color should be transparent color. And then you give it stroke, a green stroke. Let's select the font, Montserrat black. The size can be increased and then balance it. Let's pick the font. I'm using Caesar Salad. I'm using Caesar Salad font. Then you make it white. The text should be white. Now adjust and align it. So this is it.